Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the second update of Turbo Coin. And right now we have come down to a target that I was talking about in yesterday's video. This happened very quickly, and we saw 0.003 to 0.047 actually being met. So right now I am wondering if we probably have a support level, and I do see a little bit of a support here. So we probably have something like this going on, and this is a little bit of support right now. The 4-hour time frame is also oversold at the moment. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, that's really low. Okay, you are absolutely oversold, and that's actually down to 20.44, pretty much the best buying place based on the history of the coin itself. So if I do drop in the RSI right down over here, you're looking at this being the best possible entry on the 4-hour time frame. And especially you do have a little bit of support here previously in history right there, and then you started to go up from here. Maybe perhaps we might see a little bit of reversal back up, and I can use the Fib retracement and tell you how high is it that we can actually go back if the support does get hold at the moment. So the first few target that I can actually see is 48, right, 0.0048, and eventually it could actually even come up to 0.0054. So these are two places where we can actually have a little bit of relief as well. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. And by the way, check the Discord link on the comment section. I've actually shared the link with you. Join it for absolutely free for updates, trade ideas, news, whatever update that there is, and a lot of things that I do share when I'm off YouTube as well. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.